All right, folks, so what we're going to be doing in this video is finding exact values of trig functions, okay, using the unit circle above. So we're going to be looking today at trying to find for 240, which I have listed here. So looking at the unit circle, and it's negative 240, this is negative 180, and then 180 to get to 240 is going to be adding 60. So we could see that that's going to be right here at 120 degrees. Now, if we remember that 120 degrees, okay, right here, is going to be 2 pi over 3. So if I look, I have to see which one of these on my unit circle gives me 2 pi over 3. Well, this is going to be the 120 degrees. So that value and point is going to be negative 1/2 positive radical 3 over 2. So we have this entire circle, and we are here. This gives me the negative 240 degrees. So since we're looking at this here, now we have this value as my point values. So that means I'm going to the left 1/2. So this is going to be negative 1/2, and I'm going up radical 3 over 2. This is always going to be 1 because it's the radius. So what I need to do now to find the sine of that negative 240 is, as I'm going around this way, I'm going to be using this angle here. So this is going to be my angle of reference. So my sine is going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse, which we learned in a previous video. Anything over 1 is going to be itself. So this is going to be radical 3 over 2. Cosine of negative 240 is going to be the adjacent over itself. So that's going to be negative 1/2. And the tangent of negative 240 is going to be the opposite over the adjacent. So that's radical 3 over 2 over 1/2, which when I do my multiplication, because again, division is multiplication by the reciprocal, it's going to be here, that 1/2 is going to become 2 over 1, which is just going to clear out there, and it's going to give me radical 3.